Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on LENOVO Idea Tab Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match and click here to enable Hey Google. Then click on more and I agree, then click more and I agree again, and now click on next. Then click on retain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click get sign in and make sure that this first option stays on. Now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and now let's enter my lock screen pattern, and as you can see my Gemini opened, so now let's click continue and click use Gemini, and now let's check again. Okay Google, and as you can see now my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.